Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch the Beauty Big Bang BB001 and 005. Here is the 001 and 005. The little round plates. I decided I'd go ahead and do them together. I'm going to pull off that blue film real quick. Well, I say real quick. Quick enough. And I am going to clean them off with some acetone real quick. And wipe them with a paper towel. Alright, we're just going to jump on into the swatching. I am going to try to swatch all these plates out real quick, and then I will start using them in manicures. Very nice. And I have already swatched the 2 round plates and a couple of the XL plates, and I am happy to announce that they all work really, really well. I didn't have any issues with any of the images. They all picked up really well. And I'm just swatching away, just going crazy. I love this big bat image here. I think that one's pretty cute. Very nice. So they're all picking up really well, and they're transferring really nice to the nails. So, and you guys know I love this one. This one's my favorite image on this plate. The little witch in the moon. And then we've got the little skeleton. And some ghost. It's a very cute image. So we're going to keep on bumping along. Oh, I didn't get the skeleton in the first round of that one. There we go. He's so cute. I do like the cute side of Halloween. That's my thing. Here we go with some of like the little gory monsters and a bat. Get them on. Transferred really well. And then we're going to get that other little scary monster. Okay, now this wasn't a good color choice on my part, so I'm going to go back over it with white real quick. Just, you know, double stamp that rascal. It's what I would be doing if I was doing it on my nails and I didn't like how it looked. So there we go. Much better. Alright, and now we're going on to the other plate. And this little image right here is so cute with the little bats hanging. I just think that's adorable. Then we've got the crow. A raven. I'm sorry, I'm losing my mind. And this is another favorite image. Those little ghosts are just so stinking cute. And then you've got this kind of like a spooky looking Casper the Ghost. He's just kind of weird looking. He's cute though. I think he'd look cute as like a French tip design. So I'm going to do it down close to the tip area. I will show these swatches at the end of the video. I know I'm moving pretty quick, but I wanted you to see me swatching them. And then I'll show them off a little better here at the end. It's all about camera angles and lighting and stuff, so. And that little hand holding I guess it's an eye. That's kind of freaky looking. But it picked up really well. Now this is another cute image right here. Another full nail design. Yes. And one more. Love, love, love the candle image. I think that's adorable. Cute, cute. Alright, so here we go with my swatches up close. I hope you enjoyed this. I will have links for these plates down below. Don't forget to use my Beauty Big Bang code. It'll also be down below. Get you 10% off your order. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. And that is it for me today. Until next time, I want you to be good to yourself. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.